We'll guide you through how to recover your Gmail account without using a phone number. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Gmail login page on your desktop and enter your email address and click Next. Instead of a phone number, choose the option Try another way to sign in. You may see options like using a recovery email or answering security questions, depending on what you set up when you created your account. If you have a recovery email linked, Google will send a verification code to that email. Make sure to check the inbox of your recovery email, including the spam or junk folder, just in case. Enter the code you received and then click Next. If the recovery email isn't an option, you may need to answer security questions that you previously set up. Answer the questions accurately to proceed. If Google offers a different method like confirming your identity through previous login locations or devices, follow those prompts. Once you've completed the verification, you'll have the option to create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong and secure. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. After setting your new password, you'll regain access to your Gmail account. It's a good idea to update your recovery options afterward to prevent future lockouts. Consider adding a recovery phone number or updating your security questions. Remember, keeping your recovery options up to date helps secure your account. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.